guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on my BFF in the Black Beauty. I'm going to apologise for any bad lighting because I'm actually filming this at night, so there's no natural light. And I just want to let you know how this worked out for me today with my 5 kids. We headed into the big city, I guess, because we live out in the country, because we had to go and renew passports. So this bag worked really great for me today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have. I have nothing in this side pocket, but I did put my iPhone 8 that fit perfectly, my 8 Plus fit perfectly in there today. This side bottle pocket, I just have some gum. And then over in the back change pad pocket, as I said, I used it as the backpack, and this was great because with 5 kids in a big mall, because the passport office is in the actual mall, it was good just because with 5 of them, although my husband was there, they do tend to wander off. So anyway, back here I just have some paperwork, and I also have a quick in the sushi cars, and this just had all our paperwork, birth certificates, I've got the old passports in there, and just all the passport forms, so that kind of fit perfectly into there, and I knew it was pretty secure because it was on my back. And then over in the front I had nothing in the cell phone pocket, but down in the mummy pocket, this is how I have it packed up. So I have a coin purse in there with coins in the Donatella sweet shop. I just have a hand sanitizer in there because we did eat at the mall today, so I wanted to sanitize everybody and wipe everything down. Nothing in the sunglass pocket, and then I have the small set piece in the sushi cars, which is kind of cute, and this just has some mummy stuff in there. Just have some mints, hand cream, and some lip stuff. And then I have my backup battery right there, and then I have the small set piece in the Black Matrix, which I think looks really good with Black Beauty. I love it with the black magic inside, but it also looks pretty good in this, and I'm really loving this print right now. And that just has the cables for my backup charger. And then going into the main part of the bag, I do have this packed with the fuel cell. So this is how I have it packed up. I have nothing in these front pockets, nothing in the zipper one here, but I do have the fuel cell in the black petals, and in here I just had the kids' water bottles. There's only 4 in there right now, but there was 5, and we don't leave the house without water bottles because they're thirsty before we even get to the end of the street. So I took everyone's water bottles. And then I have the Black Matrix large set piece, and this just has a change of clothes, underwear, wet ones, that kind of stuff, in a wet bag. Over in this side pocket here, I have the medium set piece in the sushi cars, and this just has whatever snacks were left over that they didn't eat in there. And then nothing in the zipper pocket here. I didn't want to overpack the bag because I knew I was going to be carrying it, and the water is pretty heavy, but as I said, we don't go anywhere without water. And my kids are not juice drinkers, so that's kind of all they drink is water or milk. And then I have the small wipe pouch here in the Pink Paradise with hand and face wipes in. And then I have my DSS wallet, the Be Rich. And then last of all, I just have the medium set piece in the Black Matrix, and this is just my usual mummy med kit type thing in there. So that is how I had my Black Beauty BFF packed up today, and it worked really well. Now it did start hurting it's one of my shoulders. I don't know, with the BFF and the BRB, it's always one of my shoulders that starts hurting, my left shoulder. And I'm okay to carry it for quite a while, but by the time we were done and I'd been wearing it for a couple of hours, my shoulder was kind of starting to hurt. But carrying the water in it did make it a little bit heavy. But other than that, it's a very comfortable bag to carry, and I tend to use the backpack style a lot when I have all my kids with me, especially in the summer. And I think I still do prefer the BFF over the BRB. And I really love this one. This one is so pretty. And as I was walking through the mall today, everyone kept staring at it. And I'm sure it's because it's so pretty, that's why they kept staring at it. But it was getting quite a bit of attention. Anyway, if you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching this video.